Hello everybody, back with another video. Today I will be showing you my 1974 Allis Chalmers 610. So here we go. There's this steel wheel we got there, a new dash on it. Here's the engine, we already got one. That's a good working engine, fire pass out of it. Here's the exhaust for it that I'm building. One second. So there we go. It's gonna be like this, going out the side. So that's gonna look nice eventually. And we got some fenders here that we're building. Me and my grandfather have to get that. I have to get a new sticker here on eBay or Amazon, like somewhere online. So yeah, that's like the manual thing there. I gotta get the steering fixed. Here's the hood, it has rust, but I'm getting that fixed eventually. Here's the headlights. Not really the whole thing. The headlight covers got lost in the garage, so now we don't have those. Here's the front of the grill. There you go. Original rim. Original. There you guys go. And here you go. That has a big hitch. Let me show you something crazy with these. Let's see. Will this set down here? Ow, my leg. I just cut it right there, kind of, a little. I'll just show you guys like this. Let's just show you guys this. So this thing, you can't flip this. And you know why? It's because the suspension things, it's like this little thing here around here is like, what? Let me find it. There's like a twisty thing. See down in there? There's like this thing here. See that thing? Right there. That little piece there turns and turns. I think that's what that is. Wait, not that. I think, wait, I remember now. It actually is that thing. It is that thing right there. So there you go, guys. That is actually what that is. So yeah, here's some rust here. It needs repainted badly because I forgot to put overcoating, and that happened. That little rust spot is, can't see the camera now. There's that right there. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell button, leave a like, and see you guys next time.